Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an accountant cover letter. What is an accountant cover letter? An accountant cover letter is a written document commonly submitted with a job application as an accountant outlining the applicant's credentials and interest in the open position. An accountant should highlight their relevant qualifications, experience and accomplishments in a cover letter. Emphasize your ability to manage financial records, reconcile accounts and analyze financial data. Highlight any experience with ERP systems, accounting software or other tools. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an accountant cover letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write your personal information. In modern style, you can put this information as a head of the letter. So, you write your full name. Under it, write your contact information. There are three main contact information that you must include. The first is home address. When you write the address, include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. The second one is phone number. And the third is email address. You put these three contact information in one line. Under it, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. Mostly, cover letters are addressed to the hiring manager. So, write the full name. And write the title or occupation in the company which is hiring manager. Under it, write the company name. And write also the address of the company. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write that you want to apply for a position of accountant in the recipient's company. When you state this, you should show your excitement and put it in 2 words. And don't forget to mention the recipient's company name too. Besides, you must mention where you get the information about the job vacancy. You can mention like from website, advertisement, friends, or so on. This is important to mention because company needs the data for their advertising. And convince the recipient how you are an ideal candidate for this job position. You may say you have excellent education, skill set, and experience that make you a suitable candidate or so on. Just play with the words. In the second paragraph, this is where you start showing off your passion about being an accountant. You may say you are an organized and self-driven individual. And tell the recipient how you have been working in the field of accountant since the beginning of your career. This will be plus points. And you can mention exactly when it is when you start working in the same field. And tell more about your educational background. It is highly recommended if you apply the position as the same field as your educational background. For accountant, most companies want people with MBA degree. And you can write the specialization or major like finance. Of course, you must tell the recipient which university or college you attended. If the second paragraph you talk about educational background, in this third paragraph, you talk more about job experience. Here, you should mention how many years you have been working in accountant field. In this example, the writer has 5 years of experience in working in this field. And you must mention what kind of positions they are. There may be diverse financial positions in your past and you don't need to mention them one by one. Let your resume do this job. Here, you just write the highlights or the big picture of it. And the job experiences here must give you a lot of insights and new skills. Therefore, you should make bullet points mentioning what kind of competencies you have gained after working in those positions in various companies. For example, the writer mentions competencies about maintaining financial records, managing budgets, performing risk assessments, and contacting business strategies reviews. Mention the ones with correlation to the accountant field only. In the fourth paragraph, write about your skills and plus points about yourself that will be very useful to the job position and company you apply. You can mention your current position, and in this example as financial assistant. Don't forget to mention the company name. From your latest job experience, tell the recipient what you can do. For example, you can be the leader since you lead a team with 5 employees. Or you may understand financial instruments and account softwares. Of course, these are really useful for your future job, so you have to mention them all. And mention what kind of softwares they are. For examples are Oracle, SAP, Institute QuickBooks and so on. And the last paragraph, show your excitement to discuss more about this job position through interview. And welcome the recipient to contact you for any queries. You can close the letter by thanking the recipient for their time and consideration. Finally, Write sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an accountant cover letter step by step. I hope you get this job and happy working there. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helpful for you. See you soon.